Tips for making your business stand out on Google Maps. There are a few things you can do to make your business stand out on Google Maps. One is to add photos and videos that showcase your products or services. Customers love seeing photos and videos, so this is a great way to give them a taste of what you have to offer. Another tip is to encourage customers to leave reviews. Reviews are a great way to show potential customers that you are a reliable and trustworthy business. Finally, you can also use keywords in your listing to help customers find you more easily. By including relevant keywords, you can make sure that your business comes up when people are searching for businesses like yours on Google Maps. By following these tips, you can ensure that your business is easy to find and that potential customers are able to see what you have to offer. Making your business visible on Google Maps is a great way to reach a wider audience and attract new customers. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos daily, related to online business challenges and solutions. So make sure to stay tuned. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Furthermore, visit our website www.profitiya.com for more information on how to overcome these challenges. We would love to answer any of your questions. Thanks for watching.